Now we will check the associativity property for rational numbers for addition. Okay, so see here, a out of the bracket, b plus c inside the bracket. In place of a, minus 2 upon 3, and b 3 upon 5, and plus minus 5 upon 6. Now minus 2 upon 3 as it is, plus 3 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 6. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So LCM is 30. Now divide this 30 by 5 6 times. Multiply 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18, plus minus minus 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25. So 18 minus 25 minus 7 upon 30 minus 2 upon 3 as it is, plus sign as it is. Afterwards, the LCM of 3 and 30 will be 30. Divide this 30 by 3 10 times, 10 2s are 20 with negative sign. 30 divided by 31 times, so minus 7 as it is. Two negative numbers always we add with negative sign, so minus 27 upon 30. Both the numbers are divisible by 3, so 3 9s are and 3 10s are, minus 9 upon 10. Now we will shift the bracket. In first two rational numbers, we will add these two rational numbers, and then last we will write as it is. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 5 times, 5 2s are 10. 15 divided by 5 3 times, 3 3s are 9. Plus minus minus 5 upon 6 as it is. Now here one is positive, one is negative numbers. 10 minus 9 is 1, and greater number is having negative sign, so minus 1 upon 15 minus 5 upon 6. The LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. 30 divided by 15 2 times, 2 1s are 2. 6 5s are 5 5s are 25. So two negative numbers we add negative sign, minus 27 upon 30, so 9 upon 10. Minus 9. In both the conditions you can see the answer is same. So associativity addition for rational number addition is applicable. Now we will check associativity of subtraction for rational number. So minus 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5 minus in the bracket minus 5 upon 6. Minus 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5. The LCM is 30, and here will be 5 6s are 6 3s are 18. Minus minus plus 6 5s are 5 5s are 25. When 18 and 25 we will add 43 with negative sign. LCM of 3 and 30 is 30. You can see here. When you will divide 30 by 3 10 times, it is divisible, and 10 2s are 20, and 31s are 30, so minus 43 is as it is. So when you will add two negative numbers, negative sign 63, and 63 upon 30 is divisible by 3, so 21 upon 10. So negative sign 20 minus 21 upon 10. Now see here, minus 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5, and out of the bracket minus 5 upon 6. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15, and 3 5s are 5 2s are 10. Minus 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, plus minus minus plus 5 upon 6, minus 19 upon 15 plus 5 upon 6. LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. 15 2s are 19, 2s are 38, negative sign, plus 25. Negative, positive, negative. So bigger number is having negative sign, so minus 13 upon 30. You can see both the values are not equal, both the rational numbers are not equal, so subtraction is not associative for rational number. Now see here, multiplication, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 6. 5 cancelled by 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and minus 1 here, 5 1s are 5, so minus 1. So left value is minus 1 upon 2. 2 cancelled by 2, minus minus plus 1 upon 3. Now we will shift the bracket. So minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5, out of the bracket minus 5 upon 6. 3 cancelled by 3, minus 2 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 6. Minus minus plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 5 cancelled by 5, 1 upon 3. In both the conditions you can see the answer is 1 upon 3. You can see here. So the multiplication is associative. Let us check for division. Associativity. So division. So minus 2 upon 3, same numbers we are taking, divided 3 upon 5 divided minus 5 upon 6. Minus 2 upon 3 as it is, division sign as it is, 3 upon 5, reciprocal of you will write here with multiplication sign, so minus 6 upon 5. 5 5s are 25, 3 6 are 18 with negative sign. This sign we will change into multiplication, so reciprocal of this we will write minus 25 upon 18. So you can see here 2 and 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, minus minus plus 25 and 3 9s are 27. So the value is 25 upon 27 when we solve this. Now we will shift the bracket first to rational numbers. So minus 2 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5 divided by minus 5 upon 6. Minus 2 upon 3 multiplication sign you will put, reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3 divided minus 5 upon 6. Minus 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. This sign you will change into multiplication. So reciprocal of minus 6 upon 5, minus 5 upon 6 is minus 6 upon 5. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 upon 3. You can see in both the conditions, both the values are not equal. So division is not associative for rational numbers. Read, learn from the textbook. No need to write anything in your textbook, but you have to learn all the properties. Now on the basis of the associativity property for addition, subtraction, and in the rational number for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For rational number, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers we have seen. On the basis of that we will fill the table. Addition is associative for all. Natural number, whole number, integers, rational numbers. Subtraction, no. Multiplication, yes. Division, no. Now we will see the role of 0 on the next page. If we add 0 or subtract in any number, we get the same number as a answer. 2 plus 0 minus 5 plus 0, 0 plus minus 5 equal to minus 5 according to commutativity. So what we can say that a plus 0, 0 plus a, b plus 0, 0 plus b, same way. So 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. What is called? Identity for the addition. It is the additive identity for integers and whole number as well. That means for all. 0 is called additive identity for natural number, but in natural numbers we never take 0, but when we add in the natural numbers we get again natural number. So for whole numbers, for integers, for rational number. Now the role of 1. 5 into 1 or 1 into 5. 1. So we can say that if in any number we multiply by 1 and we change the order of the numbers 1 into a, always we get answer. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for the rational numbers. Is the multiplicative identity for integers? Yes. For whole numbers? Yes. Clear? Now think, discuss and write. If a property holds for rational numbers, will it also holds for integers? For whole numbers? Which will not. So first we will check all the properties for integers. Closure property. So you can see here for integers, yes, 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 no. So applicable closure and rational numbers and integers, closure properties same to same. Now for commutativity. So for integers, yes, no, yes, no. Same. So commutativity also applicable, same to same in both. After that, associativity. So for rational numbers, yes, no, and then integers, yes, no, yes, no. same to same. So for integers we can say that if a property holds for rational numbers, it will also hold for integers. Now we will check for whole numbers. First we check for closure property. Rational number, yes, 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 no. In the whole numbers, yes, no, yes, no. That means subtraction. Closure property. Subtraction is not closure. In rational numbers, yes, but in whole numbers, no. So closed under addition, subtraction is not closed in whole numbers. Okay, then yes, yes, subtraction is not, yes, yes, and no, no. Now we will check for commutativity. So commutativity, rational numbers, yes, whole numbers, addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication commutative, division not commutative. Same to same. Now for associativity. In associativity, rational numbers, addition is associative, yes, subtraction no, multiplication yes, division no. So subtraction in closure property, subtraction is not closed under for the whole number, and subtraction is closed for rational number. Now negative of a number. Negative 1. So negative of 1 is -1. When you will add this, so plus minus minus, you will get 0. So if -1, if we will take, so negative of -1 will be positive. So opposite you will take. Negative or additive inverse. It is called negative or additive inverse, but in standard language we always use additive inverse. So in additive inverse we take numbers such that if we add two numbers, we will get always result as 0. A plus minus a or minus a plus a, 0. Then a is the negative of minus a and minus a is the negative of a. You can see 2 plus 3 opposite. Additive inverse -2, 3. Denominator same. 2 plus minus 2 minus 2, 0. So in general we can say that for a rational number a upon b, we have a plus b plus minus a plus b. If we add in any order, we will get 0. Then a upon b is the additive inverse of minus a upon b, and minus a upon b is the additive inverse of a upon b. Then reciprocal. Reciprocal, when we multiply two rational numbers such that the answer is 1. You can see here 8 upon 21, 21 upon 8. Denominators become numerator and numerator becomes denominator, and when we multiply we get answer 1. So we say that a rational number c upon d is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of another non-zero rational numbers, because we change the number a upon b, so b will become numerator and a will become denominator, so a upon b. So another second rational number, when we cancel this we get 1. Now we will check distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. This property we will check. Now see here, distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational number. So distributivity, this of multiplication between this bracket and this rational number, the sign is multiplication. Over addition, you can see two rational numbers with addition sign. So a into b, when you will multiply these two rational numbers ab, middle sign as it is, a into c, ac. Same way for subtraction. Here addition and subtraction, you will we can say that distributive of multiplication over addition and subtraction for rational number. I forgot to put here to write here a into in the bracket b minus c, so ab minus ac. Now first rational number, if place of a we are taking minus 3 upon 4 and b 2 upon 3 and c minus 5 upon 6. So LHS side, a in the bracket b plus c. So minus 3 upon 4 and in the bracket 2 upon 3 plus in the bracket minus 5 upon 6. Now minus 3 upon 4 as it is. When you will take the LCM of 3 and 6, the LCM will be 6. And 6 divided by this 3 2 times and 2 multiplied by 2 4. Plus minus minus 6 divided by 6 1 time, 5 ones are 5. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 upon 6. Minus minus plus. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So answer is 1 upon 8. So answer of LHS side is 1 upon 8. Now RHS, AB plus AC. So A into B minus 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4 into minus 5 upon 6. This 3 cancel by this 3 1 time and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So answer is minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 twos are 6 minus minus plus 5 upon 4 twos are 8. Now LCM will be 8. 8 divided by 2 4 times, 4 ones are 4. So minus 4 plus 8 ones are 8, 5 ones are 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. 1 upon 8 because greater number is having positive sign. In both the situations, you can see the answer is same. So we can say that distributivity of multiplication over addition is applicable here. Okay, so this is, you have to learn this by heart. Now we'll see distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus C, AB minus AC. In place of A, minus 3 upon 4. LHS side first we will take, and 2 upon 3 in the bracket, minus 5 upon 6 with negative sign. So minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6, minus minus plus. LCM will be 6. 6 divided by 3 2 times, 2 twos are 4 plus 6 divided by 6 1 time, then 6 ones are 6 and 5 ones are 5. Then 9 upon 6. 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. 9 ones are 9, 4 twos are 8. So answer is minus 9 upon 8. That means A into B minus C is equal to minus 9 upon 8. Now AB minus AC. Here I forgot to put minus sign. So you will put here minus. So AB minus 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3. Minus 3 upon 4 into minus 5 upon 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, minus 1 upon 2. With negative sign, here is negative sign. Keep this thing in your mind. So minus 3 twos are 6, minus minus plus, and this minus. So 5 upon 4 twos are 8. When you will take the LCM of 2 and 8, the LCM will be 8. 8 is divided by 2 4 times. 4 multiplied by 1 with negative sign. 4 ones are 4. And 8 divided by 8 1 time, 1 5s are 5 with negative sign. Two negative numbers we always add with negative sign. So 4 5 9 upon 8. In both the situation you can see the answers are same. So A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. That means distributivity of multiplication over subtraction for rational number. Now see here, try this. I will solve for you this one and you will solve yourself this one. Illustration you will solve yourself. Okay. So 7 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5 into 5 upon 12. Let us start. The question is 7 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5 into 5 upon 12 by distributivity. You can see addition sign. So we are applying distributivity of multiplication over addition. So A in the bracket B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Now this time this RHS side is given. You can see A first rational number is repeating 2 times. So AB plus AC. So we can write A in the bracket B plus C. So A is 7 upon 5. B is minus 3 upon 12. C is 5 upon 12. Now 12 and 12. Denominators are same. So 12 we will write one time. And numerator we will write as it is, minus 3 plus 5. So 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So 5 minus 3, 2. Greater number is having positive sign, so no need to put any sign. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 7 ones are 7, 5 6 are 30. The answer is 7 upon 30. Second one you will solve.